In this video, you will learn about what is Forex price quote, how to read price quote, and when should I consider it.
In order to understand how Forex works, you must be able to read Forex quotes. A Forex quote is also known as the price of a certain currency. A quote is made up of three parts: the symbol, the bid, and the ask price. The symbol represents the two currencies that are being quoted. For example, highlighted here you see the Euro USD. The first pair you see is called the base currency. The base currency is being valued, most often, to another currency pair. In this quote, you see the euro is being compared to that of the US dollar. Below it, the euro GBP is the euro versus the British pound. And below it, you see the franc and the yen. Moving on to the other columns, we will see the bid price and the ask price. Let's start with the ask price. The ask price is the price at which the market is willing to sell the currency. This is the price that traders are willing to sell you the euro. Or stated another way, this is the price buyers must pay for the euro. So if you wanted to, at this moment, buy the euro USD, you would click it and you would buy the ask. And the bid price is the inverse of that. So it is the price at which traders are willing to buy the currency from you. If someone needed to sell currencies, if you needed to sell currencies, you would be selling to someone who's looking to buy them. And so you would sell the bid. So, breaking it down, you buy the ask and you sell the bid. Now if you're new to Forex, this may take a little bit of time to understand, but you will get it and you will be able to understand more of the terminology that's used in the trading world.